In this video, we're going to show you to install the crank sensor on your Toyota Tundra located on the front lower portion of your engine. Across the front portion of the bumper, we're going to go ahead and remove normally the 3 10mm bolts. Ours is missing one in the middle, but go ahead and remove these 3. You're going to remove these 2. And now in order to remove our splash shield, there's going to be 5 12mm bolts. You're going to use a socket and extension. Now we're going to go ahead and remove this one here. There would normally be a middle one in this section here, but ours is broken. So we're going to remove the last one over here. Now the shield is going to drop down, so you want to hold that with one hand while you remove this bolt. Grab that shield, you can tip it back. Now there are little hooks on the front side that help support this. Unhook those and slide that out. Now our crankshaft position sensor is located right here, and here's our harmonic balancer right here, so it's just to the right of that there. Now there's a single 10mm bolt holding that in place, and then on the top there's an electrical connector going to the back side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our gear wrench. We're gonna get up in there. We're going to loosen and remove this bolt. There's the bolt there. Go ahead and set that aside. Now the connector right here comes up and it goes into a wire loom, and it's actually taped to our oil pressure sender harness here. So it's hard for us to remove the sensor and then disconnect the connector. Now there's a little pinch tab on the front side over here where the pliers are touching. If you can get your hand up in there, you can pinch that and then pull that off. Otherwise, we're gonna use a pair of hose pliers here, and these actually work pretty well to go ahead and gently pinch that and then work that harness off. There it is. And use those pliers there. You can sometimes wiggle that out as well. Sometimes you can use a flathead screwdriver and gently pry that out. There it is. There it is. There's a rubber O-ring that usually kind of holds it in place there. Before you install your new component, I'm going to take a rag here and I put a little bit of spray solvent on there. I want to clean the inside of the port. Get any debris or anything out of there, something corrosion or old crusty oil that might be kind of causing any type of issues. Just wipe it out. Then we can simply take the new component and we want to go ahead and line that up and feed that into place. You're just going to twist that gently and work that in. You see that it's fully seated. Let's go ahead and get that bolt started. Before I tighten that, Go ahead and grab that electrical connector, line that up on there, push it down. You can feel it and hear it snap into place. Now we want to torque this down to 58 inch-pounds. It is critical that we torque this and not just tighten it. And at this point here, the sensor is installed. If you happen to have a check engine light on the dash, you want to go ahead and use your scan tool, clear that code. At that point there, go ahead and install your splash shield. Take your front skid plate. I'm going to bring that up. We need to place it above the lower bumper shield, and we have our little J hooks there to go into the cross member. Push them in and over. That'll support the front while we swing up the back and line this up. So we're just going to get this back bolt started here, and then get one started on the other side. Now that we have the two rear bolts started, on yours you probably have a third one in the middle. Go ahead and install that one now, and then we can move up to the front and we'll install those. All right, get that one started. Let's move to the other side. Get that one in there. With all four of these started, go ahead and run through and snug them down. Install the screws on the front side here. Gently snug these down. Now if you have all three, go ahead and install your middle one, and then last one here. And at that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.